So, hello mga Mars! Magandang araw! Yes! So, here we are for another session of DIY TCA Cross. So, by the way, this is my 5th session using 100% solution. So, this is after a month from my 4th session. So, ito yung mga bagay na gagamitin ko sa video na to for our 5th session. So, unahan ko na kayo mga Mars. So, this video is magiging medyo mahaba. Since the video na to, I'll discuss about TCA Cross. So, what is TCA Cross, how TCA Cross work, and what does TCA Cross do? And also, I'll be discussing yung mga things that you need to do first in performing the TCA Cross or the step-by-step procedure. And we will also discuss what will happen after the procedure and also possible complications or problems that you may encounter during or after the procedure. And also things to remember bago tayo mag-TCA. And also, most importantly, yung skincare routine or yung aftercare products na pwede nating gamitin after the procedure. So, yun yung mga bagay na i-discuss ko on this video. That's why magiging mahaba siya. So, wag na tayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Simulan na natin. So, what is TCA Cross? Actually, mga Mars, yung TCA Cross is dalawang abbreviation yon, TCA and then Cross. So, unahin na natin yung TCA. So, yung TCA is abbreviation siya ng trichloroacetic acid. And TCA is typically used in low concentration from 10 to 50%, and that is for a chemical peel or also called TCA peel. So that's different from TCA Cross, and that's another topic. And TCA improves the appearance of the facial scars and skin aging. So that's it for TCA alone. So let's go ahead and then discuss TCA Cross at yun yung ginagawa natin. Alright, so TCA Cross, yung cross na word is abbreviation siya ng chemical reconstruction of skin scars. So, kaya siya tinawag na TCA Cross, it's because it's the chemical reconstruction of skin scars using trichloroacetic acid. That's why it's TCA Cross. TCA Cross is most often used as an outpatient clinic procedure to treat atrophic acne scars. So when we say atrophic, it means loss of tissue. So we all know that when we have acne scars, diba, like ice pick, rolling, and box scar, acne scars, there are gap or spaces or holes or butas-butas or missing part of our skin. Basta, you know what I mean. Alright, so let's move on. So TCA Cross is inexpensive, safe, and efficient, but it is not always effective. So I will discuss that later kung bakit sinabing it is not always effective. And kung yung doon naman sa about sa inexpensive, kung magtatanong kayo doon bakit sinabing inexpensive siya, mahal magpa-TCA sa clinic, diba? I think yung TCA solution mismo is mura. And then, kung about procedure naman, kung gagawin sa clinic, of course, expensive siya. Yes, kasi ang gagawa sa iyo is professional, 'di ba? Doktor. Alright, siya nga pala mga Mars. So bago tayo magpatuloy, disclaimer lang. So lahat ng sinasabi kong information is based siya sa internet. So nag-search lang ako and then diniscuss ko siya dito sa video since na alam ko naman na yung iba sa atin is tamad magbasa and tamad mag-research. Sure. Alright, so let's proceed. So sabi din dito, acne scars can cause significant psychological distress and social impact, which is very true naman, diba? Alam mo yung nawawalan tayo ng self-confidence, minsan ayaw natin lumabas, makisalamuha sa madaming tao. Alam mo yung kahit extrovert ka, mapipilitin kang maging introvert dahil nawalan ka ng self-confidence because of acne or mga acne scars, diba? But anyway, eto na nga ang sagot sa ating mga panalangin, kaya siguro ginawa ang TCA Cross. So, TCA Cross procedure involves depositing small amount of TCA at high concentration from 70 to 100% on to the surface of the atrophic scar. So, dito napapasok yung tanong na how does TCA Cross work? So, pagkalagay ng solution or TCA solution dun sa surface ng ating atrophic scars, this causes a local inflammatory reaction or pamamaga, leading to the formation of new collagen fibers sa ating skin. So, kapag nasusugatan yung skin natin, nagkakaroon ng inflammation or pamamaga, and our skin cells will produce collagen fibers to repair our skin tissue. So, dito sa TCA Cross, parang sinusugatan mo ulit yung acne scars mo para mag-produce ng collagen fiber, yung skin cells to repair it. Pero kailangan nating tandaan mga Mars na hindi siya one-time, big-time na result and hindi niya maibabalik 100% yung dating texture ng ating mga skin. It will take time kasi nga there's a loss of tissue na nangyari sa ating skin. Pero na lang siguro if meron kayong lahing reptile that can regenerate. Char. So, mabalik tayo sa discussion. So, this process or procedure aims to improve the appearance of the scar by increasing collagen reflectance and reducing shadow casts over scar depression. So, sa madaling salita, tulad ng sabi ko kanina, it will not bring back your original skin texture, but it will improve the appearance of the scars. Pero, based naman sa experience ko, bumababaw talaga yung mga scars ko. That's why, tinutuloy-tuloy ko lang siya na gawin until makuha ko yung gusto kong result. Kaya din sabi dito, complete resolution is unlikely to be achieved with this treatment alone. Kaya there are treatments na being combined with TCA Cross. And these are topical retinoids, could be cream, lotion, foam, or gel, or anything. Example of retinoids are adapalene, tretinoin, mga ganyan. Kaya dati nung nag-start pa lang akong TCA Cross, gumagamit ako ng hydroquinone plus tretinoin na cream, which is yun din yung gagamitin ko this session and moving forward. So, ibinalik ko na siya since na hindi effective yung mga ipinalit kong skincare products sa kanya. So, I'm using it again. So, ito yung picture nung ginagamit kong cream, which is yung hydroquinone plus tretinoin na cream. So, yung hydroquinone is a bleaching cream na good for hyperpigmentation since na yung TCA Cross, after mong gamitin siya or after procedure, it will leave dark marks or dark spots or hyperpigmentation. And then, yung tretinoin naman na cream is a retinoid or retinoic acid that can help mild to moderate severe acne and inflammatory. Alright, so yung next na treatment na pwedeng i-combine sa TCA Cross ay microneedling, which is ginagawa din natin yan. So you can use derma roller or derma pen. And then yung last two treatment na pwedeng i-combine sa TCA Cross ay fractional laser treatment and then subcision. So, both procedure or treatment ay pwede lang gawin sa clinic and advisable lang gawin ng professionals. Alright, so let's proceed. So, TCA Cross is useful in the following type of atrophic scar, which is yung box scar, acne scars, rolling acne scars, and eye-stick acne scars. So, ito yung pictures para sa reference kung anong itsura ng mga scars na sinabi ko. Alright, so tapos na nating i-discuss yung sagot dun sa mga question na what is TCA Cross and how does it work or what does it do. And now, I will discuss how TCA Cross perform and what will happen after the procedure. Alright, so I'll discuss the things that you need to do in performing TCA Cross. So first, you need to wash your face using non-moisturizing soap. Alright, second, you need to cleanse the area of your skin that needs to be treated or the whole face if you want using saline or alcohol or any non-moisturizing cleanser. Third, you need a fine blunt endpoint instrument such as toothpick, fine brush, or syringe. You will dip it in the TCA solution, and if there's an excess solution on the applicator that it will somehow drips or tumulo, it should be removed. Alright, fourth, so you may put petroleum jelly around the eyes, lip, and nostril for protection since those are very sensitive area. Alright, so next is when applying the solution, make sure to apply it inside the hole or pores or inside the scar itself. So do it very cautious and do not put too much solution to avoid any problems or complications. Alright, next, so usually within 10 seconds, frosting on the skin will start, or yung puti-puti tulad niyang nakikita niyo dyan sa video. Alright, so you may intermittently cleanse your skin, again, using saline, alcohol, or non-moisturizing cleanser when treating your scars from one area to another. Alright, so that's it. So the procedure will take depending on the numbers of your scars that needs to be treated. Alright, so next na pag-uusapan natin ay yung what will happen after the procedure. So first, frosting of the scar surface may last up to 12 hours. So based on my experience, minsan tumatagal lang siya ng 5 to 10 minutes and then or a few hours nawawala na din yung frosting. Alright, and then the skin around the treated area will be red and sore for 24 to 48 hours. And then you may wash your skin or your face as normal and may apply makeup if you desired. And you may also still continue using your skincare products as normal. Alright, and then after 2 to 3 days, a small scab will develop, which falls off after 3 to 7 days. And most important, sunscreen is recommended to reduce the chance of pigmentation or hyperpigmentation. You may also use vitamin C serum, hyaluronic acid serum, and moisturizer for faster healing process. This is also based on my experience. Alright, and also this treatment can be performed repeatedly on several occasions at 2 to 4 week or 8 week interval. So mostly it requires 3 to 6 treatment with TCA Cross for optimum improvement or before you can see difference or better results. And also, when used correctly, TCA Cross is moderately effective for atrophic acne scars. You may expect a 1 to 2 grade improvement on your acne scars over a 6-month period. So that's why sinabi ko dun kanina na it requires 3 to 6 treatment with TCA Cross for optimum improvement or for better results. Alright, so ang next naman nating pag-uusapan ay yung mga possible complications or problems na pwede nating maranasan sa paggamit ng TCA Cross. Alright, so let's proceed. So number 1 is prolonged local irritation and erythema or redness. Number 2 is damage to mucosal surface like lip, nostril, and eyes. And then next is post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, usually transient or nawawala din yung hyperpigmentation. And then hypopigmentation may be permanent. So ipapakita ko ano yung itsura ng hypopigmentation sa mga hindi nakakaalam. So ganyan yung itsura niya, yung puti-puti, yung spot-spot. So kabaliktaran siya ng hyperpigmentation. Alright, next is coalescence of adjacent scars to form a larger scar. So, yun yung like, kung wari magkadikit yung scars nyo, tapos pareho nyo nilagyan ng solution, magme-merge sila together to form larger scars. Yes, so parang ganun yun. Yun yung examples. And then lastly is suboptimal response or lack of improvement in scarring. Yes, kaya dito pumapasok yung disclaimer nila kanina, yung sinabi ko na sasagutin natin kung bakit sinabing TCA Cross is not always effective. Simply because there are patients na yung skin nila is hindi nagre-respond sa treatment na TCA Cross. Kaya meron silang disclaimer na ganon. So, really depends sa skin type or skin response ng patient kung magiging effective ba o hindi yung TCA Cross. Alright, so ito na yung next na di-discuss natin is yung things to remember bago mag-TCA or yung mga techniques na pwede natin gawin bago tayo mag-TCA Cross. Alright, so let's proceed. So, pinakauna, TCA Cross should not be performed on skin that is sun-damaged, acne breakouts, laser treatments, micro-needling, chemical peels, or other skin treatments. So, this is also one of the reason kung bakit inuuna ko yung TCA before micro-needling. And also, Yan din siguro yung dahilan kung bakit yung iba kong napanood na sa clinic nila ginagawa yung TCA Cross ay inuuna talaga nila yung TCA before any other treatments na kinukombine nila sa TCA Cross. Alright, and then the second is discontinue use of all retinols, retinoids, Tazorac, alpha hydroxy acids or AHA, or exfoliants or chemical peels for 3 days before TCA Cross. And then TCA Cross is not suitable for type 3 skin types or darker skin types. Alright, so for darker skin types, you need to undergo a lightening or whitening treatment first for several weeks before doing TCA Cross. Alright, and next is avoid tanning and direct sun exposure for 2 weeks prior to treatment and also after the treatment. And then lastly is do not wear makeup or use skincare products on the day of procedure. And that's it mga Mars. Pero bago kayo mag next video, matulog, umalis o ano pa man, don't forget to like this video, and if you want to join me sa aking road to Kinis journey, just click the subscribe button and pakikalambang na din yung bell. And mga Mars, so dito na nagtatapos ang video na to. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsama nyo sa akin dito sa aking road to Kinis journey, and maraming salamat sa mga nagstay pa din and sa mga bagong Mars and Pars natin. Hello po sa inyo. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat. And as of the moment, we are now have 130 subscribers. So, for me, that's a lot already. Maraming salamat po sa inyong support. And also, there is a second part of this video, which is yung mga updated skincare products na ginagamit ko ngayong session na to. So, abangan nyo po yun mga Mars. And mga Mars, if you want to try DIY TCA Cross, do it at your own risk and cautious. Take it slowly but surely. Yun lang mga Mars. Thank you. Bye! Mwah!